I'll see you when you're finished.
You're still on there.
Here you go then, William. Get ready to drive.
Wait.
Wait. 3, 2, 1.
Go, William.
Go. Good luck,
Put your foot down.
William.
Hey.
Good luck, Daddy. Good luck, Dad. Have a good drive, Daddy. Wow. I've never seen Daddy drive too fast before.
Foot down hard, Will.
Dad, you might crash. Daddy, hey. Dad! Daddy, I'm saying hello to you.
You see William, he's doing really well now, isn't
He's getting ready with his dad.
he? Here comes William and Dad.
Hello, William and Dad. Oh no!
Oh,
William's
Dad's
out
overtaken William.
Oh no, William's taking off William. And Daddy's out of contact. Being too scared.
Go on, William. Go on, Will. Yes.
He'll never crash anybody. Oh.